what we're seeing immediately is the developers are speeding up very quickly, especially if they're early adopters. And then we see everyone else being a bottleneck. And particularly we see PMs who are not speeding up their product judgment, speeding up their orchestration skills to match the new speed of the engineers. So what I'm about to show you is we made a set of product judgment skills, not just code skills, but product judgment and business skills that product managers can use to think at the business layer, at the product layer, while not sacrificing code fidelity and things like testing and quality and so on. The best instantiation of this is the new project scaffolding skill. There are all kinds of skills here. We have things like finding the aha moment for your new product, whether it's agentic or not. We have things like figuring out what is a sharp problem, but the scaffolding skill is special because it starts with you describing a business problem, and then it really makes decisions, helps you make decisions, whether it does market research for you, tells you whether it's a viable problem and how to solve it if it's not a viable problem, makes architectural decisions for you based on asking you questions, figures out how to test the thing, right, based on those architectural decisions, and even sets up continuous integration and continuous delivery for you. So we're going to work directly in Claude Code, not in Claude Desktop or anything, just in the same way that developers work. So what I'm going to tell this thing right now is to scaffold a new project. One of the things I'm obsessed about is the fact that people won't read any code. So what I want to build is either a SaaS or an agent that helps vibe coders, people who don't have a lot of software experience, helps them figure out if their code is any good. Security, robustness, complexity, simplicity, all of that tells them the story of their code because no one is looking at it, even in a corporate environment. And so hopefully, if we tell it to scaffold this, it will run all the processes of the scaffolding for us. So I'm going to hit enter. If you pause and read it, you'll see that it's just a first idea.
I've been using Ari from Ariso for a while now, and the thing that hooked me isn't one feature, it's the memory. Most AI tools forget you the second chat ends. Ari doesn't. It connects to my email, calendar, Slack, and it remembers everything. Every commitment I make, every thread I'm on, every person I've talked to and what we discuss. It tracks and organizes my work automatically, and it shows up before every meeting with exactly what I need. I never walk in cold anymore. That's the individual side. The bigger side is what Ariso does inside companies. It coaches managers, keeps teams aligned with the actual strategy, and turns all that scattered activity, the meetings, messages, and docs into a clear picture of how execution is really going. Leaders see drift before it costs them a quarter. One brain for you, shared clarity for the whole org. Try Ari at ariso.ai/Akash. That's ariso.ai/AAKASH. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.